Okay, I want to confess. Where is it? Wait. I have a confession to make. I've had this idea of making videos forever, for years, like years and years. And every time I thought, let's start it today. I'll do it. I'll do it today. I'll do anything else but not make that video. I'm like, I don't have any content. What will I do? What will I say? I'm looking at the wall and I am nervous. And I am just not able to start the video for so long. And then this time, what changed? Well, the snow outside wasn't helping me. So I thought maybe I will need lighting, and the backdrop has to be better. I need a camera. I need somebody to edit it for me. I need somebody to write it for me. But let me tell you, I am none of those. It's just me. I have a phone and so much time on my hands and too much imagination. I am like, I am doing it now. I'm not stopping. So I just set this up, this phone camera. I did buy a tripod and I bought this mic because when I did it without the mic, the sound was bad. So I said, no, I need to do the mic. I pressed record, and the first sentence, the first time I was like, oh my God, I can't do this. And I was like going smiles and moments and ping and like it was not working right at all. And I think now I'm sounding a bit more confident. It doesn't look like my first video. And Jalebi, this is Jalebi. Jalebi is looking at me like, what's wrong with Nani today? What's wrong? What's happening to her? She's just talking to herself. And then I started, I deleted, I restarted. I must have shot it like 10 times and it was a disaster. When the phone fell down and my coffee spilled, I was like doing it not right. I don't know if I'm doing it right this time also, because anything can go off at any time. I must have dropped the phone like 3 times. And till now I was looking for perfection. Now I'm like, let me just do it. Whatever gets done, gets done. This is like a piece of art. It's one of a kind. I'm doing it and that's it. But I just discovered something. See, it's still shaking. It still shakes. But then something really amazing happened. I found happiness. I was laughing. I felt like, okay, I can talk to the camera. It's so funny. And here I'm trying to be perfect and jalebi and my coffee and the camera and so many things, so many times. The mic I'm not putting on. And this is not perfection. Nobody does it like this. I'm different. I am me. And this is the way I can do it. I am this messy, awkward, silly. But isn't this the fun part? Isn't this what makes it why you're still here? So then I just started to talk to the camera. I said, let me just say whatever comes to my mind. It's like, okay, now you are my best friend. Yes, you, Mr. Camera, Mr. Phone, you are my best friend because you are going to be seeing me doing all this silly stuff every day. And now we have to be friends. And I said, in my future life, I like doing this. I have stories to tell and I might as well tell them now when I can remember them. Because I won't remember everything forever. My memory is going to go. So after that, it just started to become a little better. Then I said, okay, even if I make mistakes, even if I mispronounce words, it's human, it's fine. It's not like somebody's paying me to do something, here. I'm just doing it because I'm enjoying it. It's not like it's a job. It's not a job. It's like me being myself. So I think Maggie is thinking, what's wrong with Nani? And then I said, okay, this is what Nani is all about. And then the person who's watching this, it's okay, we all need somebody to say it's okay, right? So I hope you think it's okay. I hope you continue to watch till the end. I hope you'll come back for the next video. And this is me, and I will be like this, I guess. This is because this is my life. Sometimes there are children, sometimes there's dog, and then sometimes there's life. So then I think I found this rhythm. It's like maybe it's warm, maybe you find it funny, maybe, but I'm telling you, it's honest. I feel like I'm talking to a friend over coffee. And sometimes, the friend is imaginary. Sometimes the phone is my best friend. And sometimes I drop phones, I forget to turn on the mics, I do other silly stuff. I'm not telling you this time, maybe I know you more, and then I will tell you. So that's how things are. That's how Smiles and Moments was born. And this is my very messy, my very imperfect, me laughing at myself attempt at sharing my stories with you, and also sharing my little adventures and some big adventures that I have been on. And these are what things that make life fun. So I'm here making a life for myself that's full of happiness and joy and laughter and smiles and the moments that make it all worth it. So starting something new at this age is scary. You feel you can't learn anything anymore. But no, it's not bad. It's okay. I feel awkward. I feel ridiculous. I think people will laugh at me. But then also let them. It's okay. As long as it's making me happy, it's okay. And even if I fail, it's okay. At least I tried. Because it's not going to be perfect in the first time. It's going to be terrible. I'm going to look back and say, like, what was I thinking? What was wrong with me? Look at my hair. It's all over the place. Nothing is okay. But then it's okay. I still remember things I've done before that have been even more sillier. But then I'm still alive. I survived all that. I survived this too. It's not that which doesn't kill you, it makes you strong. So here's my advice to you. Grab your phone, record something if you've been thinking about it. Embrace the chaos, laugh at yourself, talk to the camera like it's your best friend. And if your coffee spills, it's fine. It's not a big deal. And maybe you create something that makes you unique, and that something will make you smile. And then you will think and look back, oh great, I did it. I'm so happy I did it at that time. So thank you for watching me figure it all out. This is Smiles and Moments, and I promise the adventures are just getting started. I'm just warming up.